Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh defended the appointment of Agatha Sangma as chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, citing her experience in Parliament, educational qualifications and public service background. Lyngdoh clarified that Sangma's appointment was made under thorough due diligence and following the decline of the initial recommended candidate. He dismissed allegation of favouritism, emphasising the importance of qualification and experience in the appointment process.
Allegations will always come whether we appoint A, B or C. But the important matter, which I have also shared with you in the past, was that we had already approached and identified an individual whom we had recommended as chairperson of the Child Rights Commission. I think on Saturday last, when we had met as a cabinet, the name of Ms. Agatha Sangma was proposed. This was after we had done due diligence on the matter, considering her experience in Parliament, considering her educational qualification, and also considering the fact that she has had long innings in public service.